How to log in Prime Video. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can log in on Prime Video, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you would like to log in on Prime Video, it's actually quite simple. Make sure that you have downloaded the Prime Video application and simply go ahead and then open the Prime Video app here. And once you launch the Prime Video app, you're going to be able to see this type of interface here, where what you need to basically do from here onwards is, you can see it will ask me to log in. Now if you have not yet created an account, you can tap the create account option from the top, or you can simply go ahead and make sure to enter your email address here. Tap the continue option here, and once done you can also simply go ahead and then make sure to enter your password. Once you enter your password, you can tap the sign in option to log in accordingly. Now if you don't remember your password, you can tap the forgot password option over here in order to try to reset your password. This way you should be able to go ahead and then basically log into Prime Video. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.